Ready, Arnie?
How are you?
Listo. In front of him, Marco.
Ladies, we have the book up to date. Girls, bring it in. Yes.
Thanks for
You got it. There's no special.
Go, last one. Go, look up. All right. Eight girls.
All right, come on.
No difference.
Hey, take your chains off. Earrings.
No, it's always the same thing. It's 1 minute. Last minute. It runs into the last minute.
Hey, hurry up!
Any special rules for that?
Nope, no special rules for that.
Basketball?
Regular match. Can they advance it on timeout?
Can you play girls rules or boys rules?
Again, it's all girls, right? In high school, all girls. We have in girls basketball. In the last minute, if they get all the time out, they can advance it. I don't think they can. Okay. It's up to you guys. The coach. Come on, Luca.
Come on, Luca. Good. Why aren't you cutting to the basket? Marco, why don't you cut? Right, you're 5 minutes. You got it.
Let's go, bring it out.
Old gum.
I got it.
It's old.
Hey. Hold on, you don't want to shoot. Sean, you didn't want to shoot. Congratulations, man. Go ahead, Marco, go. Probably did it in the car. Hot sun.
When I got it,
Stop that.
Get it. Get out my own gum. I'm gonna leave my gum. Uh-oh, you need me. All right, here I am.
Step back. Take a step back. Set one. Walk up.
Let's go!
Stay there. No foul? You guys head forward. Violet, find it. We got it. Ref. Right here, Violet. Ref. No foul on that. Nicholas, why aren't you cutting? Take a drop back. Luca, you're over dribbling. Luca, you're doing too much. Pass and cut.
That's right. Half court pick up, turn
Set one for Nicholas. Nicholas, set one for Luca. Wait, Luca, wait. Go. Before he goes. He set the screen for you to go into the basket. Why did you go the opposite way?
Help Maggie, Bob! Get it back.
Slow down. Get it back up top.
Good job.
Rail, you got your rebound. No. Foul line. Get back. Just get in front of him. Rebound, Derek. Hands up. That wasn't a foul. Red 22.
Hold them out. Pull it out with your feet.
Where are you going?
Hey, go timeout.
Timeout. Coach, go.
That was 10 seconds.
Ball.
Come in.
There's so much sand that just came up.
Great, roll.
One, two, three, try!
Coach, spot.
No, I mean like they're
Hey, inbound.
Go with him. Get back, Sean. That's what happens when you don't get back. That's what happens when you don't get back.
What do you got, Miles? Or Jacob, what do you got?
Reset.
Kevin, help Eric out.
Good drive, Liz. Good take, Alyssa. Maggie, come here.
All right.
Ball, come. Watch it. Oh! I had it in my bed. Cut Marco all the way. You gotta look at the basket. No, Brielle, no.
Go, Liz. Good job, Michaela.
That's it, Miles.
Sprint back. Pick up. Energy ball. Great ball. Be in the paint, Grace. Ball.
Look back up. How do you get it around the top? Silent move. Sid, get to the other corner. Sydney corner. Brielle cut. Sydney corner.
Abby, behind the line. Move.
Tap that key. Tap that key.
What are you doing?
Home 12.
Get us. What are you doing?
Everyone.
Pass it.
Rebound, Drew.
Good idea, buddy.
It's okay, Ari. Get Ari!
Go, Marco.
1 minute remaining.
Come on.
Yours okay, man?
Good rebound. Look back out.
You're good, Ari.
Leave it, Trey. Leave it. Get it back up top.
Yeah.
Reset, Star, reset. Take it out, bring it out.
Pressure. Good. Let go.
Okay, Scarlett. Quick. Wait for it.
So just ball moving. Pass the cut. I want to see some screens. Let's go.
Cut.
Good.
got a notification that my bed
Get back. Just get in front. Get in front. Who's out here?
I always shake when I get
Go. Help him. Help him. Sorry, don't say. Timeout. 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 Back where you want. Stay there. Stay there.
All right, Grace, sprint back! Sprint, Michaela, sprint back, turn around, stop ball! Yeah, Ari!
Good, get it back up. Hold it.
Try, guys! Last one!
Stand on the opposite elbow of Marco. Marco, opposite elbow. Yep. Opposite elbow, Marco. Opposite elbow, Marco.
Good look, that's right. Good job, Grace. Sprint back! You got it, Trey!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Get up with him. Don't let him shoot it. No foul. Get it back out. Good save. Reset. All right, that's fine. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah, you're going second. So when you come up to the dark side,
Dark side. It's the best side of basketball. Yeah.
Let's go, people!
Real play top.
Go Red. Go Green. Red, your ball coming in.
Watching the radar.
Red, your ball.
Marco, stay over there where the money is. Go, wait. Go, Trey. Trey. Yeah, Emily. What happened? Matt, pick her up and have guard on it.
Okay, Melissa.
Get back, Marco. Get inside.
On that, there you go. Good. Good play, Drew.
Marco, come here.
Good job. Red, go, half court. Go, turn around.
How? I'm asking.
30 seconds.
I think you gave us that.
Yeah, Ari, I did it. Go, match up.
Come on, guys.
On that, Kevin.
Go. Help him. Time out. Where were you? Where were you? Could he reach you where you were? Why are you bailing? Why are you bailing? We know. Side, middle, side, safety. Why are you guys dribbling the ball? Why are you guys dribbling it? Take what they give you. If you can dribble it, you're going up slow. Why are you fucking that? You know this, inside and out. Go. Wait above here and then drop it.
That's your rebound.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ball coming out. Go.
Luca, why didn't you pass it to Mark in the first one?
that right? Right, that's 16.
I don't know. I think the teams have like one.
Who got it coming in on you? Oh, all you.
No, we told who scored? Who scored, guys?
I don't know.
Rebound.
Oh yeah, Marco.
Oh, you scored 2 bad? All right, it is 8. You're right.
I was right.
I was trying to be fair. I thought we only scored 6. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I knew.
But they didn't give them that basket, so I thought they had it as
Go, pick it up. Go, ball, go.
Feel them out, Marco. Grab it. Go.
I knew. He was right.
Oh, with him! Trey, why aren't you cutting?
It said 8.
Cut. Cut. You're not looking for the ball after you cut.
2 for the 8.
Cut.
That's what happened. Because I didn't see the 2 go up.
All right, bring it out. Bring it out. Bring it out. 67. Bring it out. Bring it out. Go to the wing, Trey. 67. Opposite. Go.
Sophia.
Get out.
Girls.
Nicholas, what are you doing?
Too late.
Come on, Luca.
Way too late. That's supposed to be a bounce.
Out there, Marco. Not too deep. Not too deep. UConn, wide. Oh,
Come, Michaela. Go, Lisa. That's right. That's right. Good job, Kate. Good job, Sophia.
take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out.
Green.
What? Green hit punch the ball. What do you what are they doing?
Good shot, Sophia. Sprint back. Sprint
All
back.
right, move it.
Recover. Turn around. Michaela. See how we see.
Back her in. Back her in.
Derek, you gotta dive to the hoop. Derek, you have to touch the
Good job,
hoop.
Riel. Yeah, Riel.
23. Close to the door.
Big Sophia.
Go, full day.
Miles.
In the back.
Fight for that list. Go get it. That's fine. That's fine. Touch. Good. Reset. Reset.
There it is.
Good take, Liz. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. Go. Tough spot. That's right. Sprint. Alyssa, sprint back. Sprint, sprint, sprint.
Hattie, get inside. Get inside, Hattie. 2 out. Right there. Give it Hattie. Give it Hattie. Hattie, post up.
Violet Hattie. Real, you gotta make a pass to Hattie.
Go to the dude. Do I got a top?
Look for that one. Don't get too hard.
If you're turning the ball over one after eight, sit down. You're not getting back in now. You're dribbling up the court 100 miles per hour. You got nowhere to go.
Get on there, Hattie.
Good job, Kate. Good job, Michaela. Way to get that. Good job, Kate.
Off. Go. Pass it. First.
Maggie.
Go. Dunk it.
Lock someone.
Make it happen.
Got everybody on one side of the field.
Roll. Here we go.
Sub.
Sub.
Pick up top.
If you're on now.
Okay, time out.
Cut. Dribble to the side.
Because I blocked her.
Go up. Set us free. Marco, free up. Set one. Wait, Trey, wait. Oh. Marco, here. Just get your hands up. Out wide.
Brad. Brad. It's offensive, but team balance.
Yes, it's a team foul, but it's not a shooting. No one shoots.
Go, bring it out. Go.
Luca, you didn't see Marco in transition? Look up!
Right past that. You're doubling, Mag. You gotta see the next pass. Good, move it. Good, shoot that, Brace. That's a good shot, Brace. That's a good shot. Crash. Good. Stay away at the right. Sprint back. Sprint.
What's the shot?
Brace.
Give me a second. Let him get set. Put it in the pocket.
Get it back. Fight it. Get it back.
Here you go. Marco, Luca, before you pass it,
You know who's up? You know who's on the ground? Short.
rebound. No.
Everybody go Brielle.
Brielle, you're on the foul line, Brielle. And the defender is here. So you push the ball out. Dude, Iowa. Back. You're up. Going back.
Moving.
Brielle, foul line.
Good take, Maggie. Every time you're
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Watch your
5,
pass.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go, sit down.
Oh, thank you.
good. Reset.
Go to the wall. Set one.
Jump.
Kayla.
Work it till you find it. Rebound. Iowa. Go hard. Yeah, hurry.
Lesbian help. Grace, you. Get to your good leg.
Rebound. Zoom, Luca. Zoom. Sean, elbow. Go hard.
Hands out, Matt. Hands
Good.
out.
Score it, Les. That's right.
Relax.
Sean, you didn't see him?
1 minute.
He's my height.
So relax. You don't got the number.
Help him. Don't bail on him. Why are you going, Luca? Why are you going up the sideline? Why?
Sophia. Good. Spacing.
Watch your right, Freon.
Cut through, Mag.
Get back. Rebound. Go, Marco, look up. Go hard to the basket. Nice man. Get it, Trey. Get back. Play.
30 seconds. Yes, please.
Get up, get Chris. I don't know what you're asking.
Stop.
I said get Trey. Just get
Stop.
Trey, please.
Stop. Lissa.
Nicholas, you're up top. You gotta listen.
Yeah, Kate, get in there. Yeah, Kate. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're joking, right? Sean, wide open.
1 second.
Wait for it.
I'm gonna walk up. Walk up to you.
Wide open. Wide open.
My cousin.
You didn't see Marco wide open.
You live in Florida.
Wide open. I'm asking.
What?
You guys are ready.
It's not that easy to get in. People think because Princeton said.
Look up! Look up!
And then she just got a master's in Stony. Stony Brook is the only school that can get in the undergrad. She did Kate, what are you jumping? She just got a master's.
Trey, what did I just talk about? Let's go.
You ready, Mr. Adi?
Get on, Sean. I would probably sub every like.
Red ball. Oh, you good?
And you're not that means you're not paying.
Match up.
I counted 10 turnovers.
Yeah, no, I'm embarrassed.
Call out screens. Call out screens.
Now go. Now go.
Bob.
Marco after the touch.
Good, let's go. Get up for it, Maggie.
Danielle, who you got?
That's right. Everyone's got sprint. All five.
Hattie, same thing.
Stop ball. Stay there, Kate. Good job, Kate. Kate, great job.
Make Hattie come. Play well.
Let's go, push, Meg. Some movement.
Danielle, on her wherever she goes.
Music.
Well, Danielle, stay there.
Right there, keep it clean like that. Go, Grace, turn around.
Look at Marco. Marco, you need to bring it up. Go to the basket. Go to the basket.
Good job, Kate. Good pressure, Kate. Keep it up, let's go. See how? He's over there.
Forget it. Get back.
Good, Maggie, push! Maggie, push!
Find a man.
Ah,
Ball.
that's risky,
Back
Maggie!
line.
Stop ball! Get there! Maggie! Maggie! You don't need to make that pass. Right?
Not the
Match
sideline.
up!
Not
Match
the
up! Who's here? Who's here? Rip it! Good job, Michaela. Go, Matt. Push, 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 push. Now you're feeling. Yes, Alyssa, way to attack. Great job, Lisa.
That's it, Mike. We got him. Stick it to the pass.
Go, Luca, look up.
Next whistle. Area and real. Next whistle. Orange 40.
Stop you allowed in. Come out here. So, hold it. 30 seconds timeout.
Did I make you practice on?
Yeah.
Turn around. We help, Liz. We help. Push, push, push. Behind you.
Running.
Michaela, over there, Michaela. Over there. Match up, match up, match up, match up.
Or scooters.
Up. Push it and go. Good. See Alyssa.
They're in the Air Force. Those would be so funny, though.
Got it. Got it. Find it. Go, let Hattie get back.
Match up.
Stop.
Here, Michaela. What do you have? Good. Good job. Rip it. Good job, Breeze. Hold up. Get through there. Good. Good luck, Maggie. That's right. That's right.
Nice man.
Turn around.
Come on,
All
Nick.
have to match up.
Hold up.
Rebound, rebound.
See help, Kate. Liz, see help, Lissa.
Trey,
Good job, Maggie. Straight
that all
up.
happened because you didn't even try for a rebound.
Pressure that.
You didn't even try for
Good
the rebound.
job.
Get out the corner. Come, go.
Get up, up, Michaela. Pressure that, pressure. Good, you switch, you switch. Go, get in, get in. Push, 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 push.
Tyler, who you want?
1
Go,
minute
go,
remaining.
Go!
She's sagging every time, bro. We gotta do like that. Let's go. Use your brains. Let's go.
Face out. Hey, face out.
Stop.
Find it. Corner. Yeah, corner. Oh, man, take the wing. Hold on. Hattie, get down. You're out. Hattie, set a swing. Right there.
Over there.
Find your man. Pick up. Deny.
That was a gift.
Who's got 55? Who's got 55? Get back now, Sean. Just fall back. Stay back.
I'm not saying you don't. I gotta ask him.
Yo, you're playing sloppy.
Let's go, Mac. Push, 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 push. Take it. Pass
No, you have more. And 23 has 4.
All right.
Go, pressure.
Sub, go, Nick. Hurry up. Sub.
Bobby has to bring back. Maggie, push.
Luca, you got 4 fouls. Don't foul. What is it, 5 and they're out? Good, Nicholas. Good root box out.
Go, push, Maggie, push.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ladies.
Right in. The buzzer shot.
Hustle in. Get off the line. Two. Go. One more. How'd he go? Go back.
Let's go!
Ryder, you gotta get up. On that. Go. One more.
Stop ball, Michaela. Good.
Relax.
Rip it. Good, Michaela. Way to rip it, Michaela.
Box out, Pete. Don't jump.
That's right, Michaela. Maggie, sink in.
Good. Zoom, Trey.
Straight
Zoom.
up. Good.
Nicholas, elbow.
Rebound. Rip it.
Bring it up, Nicholas.
Good. Push,
Bring it up,
Maggie.
Nicholas.
Stay. Abby, watch 3-point line. Abby, behind you. We all got 2. Abby, get off her.
Good. That's not our whistle. Go.
Get to the middle. Slow down.
Match up. Rip it. Get there.
Before the pass.
Rebound. Go, Mag. 9,
No
8,
foul.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Was everyone time out? No. That's his last one? Okay. No more. That's his last one.
All right.
Get some water.
Sean, go that way. Marco, go that way. You wanted the middle. Look at me. You wanted the middle. Derek, follow him, Jack. Marco, bring it up. Spread out, 5 out. Let's go. Hit Trey and cut. That's not a cut. Marco, that's a cut. Good job, Trey. Good job, Keith. Trey. I'm guessing.
Is it past us? It's not there anymore. It's not
Go, get out. Go, go.
We only have one
It's the third ball. There's no error. Wait, on defense.
So in 1 minute. Who's on that side? 2 minutes.
I didn't even see it go up.
Look at Trent. Look at Marco. Good job, Nicholas.
Get there. Good, lift up. Be active, Grace. Be active, Grace. Good job, Liz. There. Sophia, you gotta pressure that, Sophia. You gotta pressure that, Sophia. Good. Come on. Rip it. Lisa, head up. Oh, no.
Well done, Maggie.
Go, look up.
Who's got ball? Who has ball? Oh my goodness. Rip it, Grace. Good, Grace. Get rid of it, Maggie. Help her. Turn and go. Go. One more. Reset it.
Good job.
Good job, Grace. Stay with it.
Good job, Nicholas.
Good shot. Cover.
Find your man. Nicholas, bring it up. Let's go.
Let's go, Lex. Okay, all right. Sprint. Push. We have there. 4. 12. Sorry. 12.
Get out on her. Sean, set one for Nicholas. Nicholas, wait for the screen right. Wait for the screen right. Oh, that's up. Go, Nicholas, go.
Yeah, 12-4. Go, ball.
Grace, turn around. Look alive. Maggie, always double that, Maggie. Always double that.
Move, Daniel, move. Go deep.
Sophia, in the paint, Sophia, in the paint. Good job, Michaela. You're good. Way to help, Michaela. Rip it, good. Help her out, Maggie.
Who's got shooter?
That's it. See it.
Who's got shooter? You told him? Keith. He told you got shooter? Where you got shooter? He told you?
Go 7.
You got the whole left side. You got the whole left side. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Okay, I get it, I get it.
Good help, Sophia. Great job, Sophia Rososa. Pressure, pressure, Grace, pressure. Grace, you gotta pressure that, Grace, you gotta pressure that.
You got the left side of the court. Set a screen for him. Good job, Keith.
Go rebound, Wolf. Good job, Liz. Push, 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 push. See help, Michaela, see help. Good job, Liz. See help. That's right, Liz, that's right.
Go. Number 12. Go underneath.
Marco, bring it up. Bring the ball up.
You got a rebound.
Right here, where I would have.
Rip it. Good, Michaela. Get there. 1 minute remaining. Good. Maggie, see help.
Marco, bring it
Michaela,
up.
you're in help. Michaela, you're in help.
Sean, come here and set. Nicholas, set one left. Marco,
Rebound.
go left. Go left. Go left.
Yes, Michaela. That's right. Michaela, you're in position. That's right. Good job. Good job, Michaela. Pressure that, Michaela. Get that, Kate.
Trey, set it.
Get back.
Head up.
Be up, don't go.
Yes, Kate.
Get back, Harry, get back. Stay good.
Look back, Marie.
Look up.